Next is provincial administration by Sher Shah. Sher Shah divided the empire into 47 provinces and Sikdar. So he divided his empire into 47 provinces or Sikdar or state. Each province was further subdivided into district or praganas. So each province were divided into certain districts or praganas. Each pragana was made up of a number of villages. So each pragana was made up of a number of villages. Each sarkar was placed under the Afghan chief. So each sarkar was ruled, or you can say looked after, by an Afghan chief. In every pragana there were several officials whose work was supervised by the Sikdar A Sikdaran and the Munsif E Munsifan. So these were the officials who will look after each sarkar. The Sikdar was responsible for law and order and general instruction. So the Sikdar were the officials who will look after or they will maintain the law and order in his empire, and they will also look after the general administration. And the Munsif were the officials who will look after the collection of revenue, that means taxes, and civil cases, that means if there is any crime, so Munsif will be the person who will give punishment to that particular person. To prevent his officials from becoming powerful or corrupt, Sher Shah introduced the practice of transferring them periodically. Okay, so in order to stop, or you can say the officials, if they become more powerful or corrupt, he used to transfer them during a certain period of time. That means maybe 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. He looked into every detail of the administration. So Sher Shah used to look in every detail of his administration or every part. The villages were looked after by the panchayats composed of a village elder. So the villages were looked after by a panchayat, and who will be the member of the panchayat? They will be village elders. Sher Shah kept in touch with the villages through village officials such as patwaris or mukaddams. So he used to keep in touch with the villages, or he used to know what actually is happening in our villages by his official known as patwaris or mukaddams. Okay, so this is a picture, or you can say a structure of Sher Shah's administration. So the empire or emperor or the king is Sher Shah. Under king or under Sher Shah will be the provinces or sarkars. Under province, Afghan chiefs will look after each province. After that, each province is divided into different district or praganas. At one side there will be Sikdar A Sikdaran, who will look after the law and order and general administration, and the other part will be Munsif A Munsifan, and he will look after the collection of revenue or taxes. And at the village level there will be a panchayat, that means the village elders will be the member of panchayat, and there will be patwaris and mukaddam who will give every detail about what actually is happening in a village to Sher Shah. So this is all about Sher Shah's administrative structure.